Hello dear students, welcome to your moral science class, and today is our first class with you. So let me give you my introduction. My name is Kirti and from today I am going to teach you moral science. Okay. So your half yearly is over. So we are going to start with the annual course, and for today our topic is punctuality. Okay. What is the meaning of punctuality? Punctuality means to be on time. Okay, you all know how to watch time. You know all how to means say what is the time now. Yes, so we should always be on time. We should value time. That means if the time is there that you have to reach school by 7, so you should always be on time. That is on 7 you should be at school, right? And if you will get up late and you will do all the things late, then what will happen? You will definitely miss the bus and you will be late for the school. Is it correct? Yes, and many of you get scolding from mama, right? For not being on time, right? So today we are going to read the importance of punctuality and how we have to follow everything on time. So let's begin with the chapter. This is your book, you all know. Now open page number 20. This is our book, page number 20. We will read the chapter punctuality. First I will read the chapter, then I will explain you everything, okay? So let's start. Punctuality. Shivansh studied in class 2. He was an intelligent boy, but he was not punctual. Okay? He often gets up late in the morning and reached his school late. His parents and teachers warned him for not being punctual, but he did not listen to any warning. Okay? It was the month of March and he was preparing for his final exams. It was the day of his first paper. He knew it very well. In spite of this, he woke up late. Since he got up late, he could not revise his subject. He got upset and began to get ready for school. His mother was preparing breakfast for him in the kitchen. While Shivansh was taking his breakfast, he heard the horn of his school bus. In a hurry, he took his school bag and rushed down the stairs. When he reached the ground floor, his mother called him from the balcony. He told him that he had forgotten to take his pencil box. Shivansh ran back to get his pencil box. Meanwhile, the bus driver started the bus and moved away without taking Shivansh in the bus. He could not wait for him any longer. Anyhow, Shivansh's father dropped him to his school. He desperately ran towards the class. The paper had already started. He was late by 20 minutes. As a result, he began to cry. He told his mother that he could not attempt all the questions as he was late. His mother said, "I always advise you to be punctual, but you never take it seriously. Now you can see the result of not being punctual." Shivansh promised his mother that he would become a punctual boy. So this is the story I have read. Now let's again start reading by taking a pencil in your hand. Everyone should have a pencil in the hand, and I will make you underline the difficult words so that you can easily pronounce them and you can learn it. Okay. So Shivansh studied in class 2. That means Shivansh was of your age only and he was taught the lesson of being punctual. Why punctuality is important? Let's read. He was an intelligent boy. Intelligent means smart and having knowledge. But he was not punctual. He was intelligent but not punctual. Not punctual means if you are intelligent but if you don't know how to do the work on time, how you will get the marks? You will not get the marks now. So let's read the what happened with Shivansh. He often gets up late in the morning and reached his school late. Many of you are there who get up late in the morning. Mama used to say, beta get up, and you will say, Mama 5 minutes, Mama 2 minutes, and you will not get up. So you can be late, right? His parents and teachers warned him. Underline the word warned. Underline the word warned. W-A-R-N-E-D. Warn means to make you aware. To make you aware that you have to be on time. Okay. To make aware that you have to be on time. But he did not listen to their warning. They never listen. Many students are very naughty. They never listen to their parents and teachers. Then what will happen? Teachers as well as the parents will scold, right? So you should always listen to your parents as well as teachers. It was the month of March and he was preparing for his final exam. That means final exam was coming and he was getting ready. He know that today is his exam, but then also he woke up late. Then what happened? When he got up late, he could not have the time to revise the lessons. Before the exam, you revise your lesson in the morning. But Shivansh was not having any time, so he could not revise the lesson. And in hurry, he woke up and just he began to get ready. His mother was making breakfast for him so that he can eat and he could not be hungry. So while Shivansh was taking his breakfast, he heard the horn of the bus. Horn of the bus means the bus driver came and he started making a horn that Shivansh, come down, your bus has come. So in hurry, Shivansh just left everything and he went away. And when he went, he left his pencil box. How he will give the exam if he will not have the pencil box? So you should keep all your things before time in your bag, okay? Before getting ready to school, before getting ready to go out for the school, you should check your bag that you are having all the important things in your bag or not, okay? So when he reached the ground, his mother said, Shivansh, you have left your pencil box. So again Shivansh have to come up the stairs, and what happened? Meanwhile, when he was coming up and going down in all these time, the bus driver was getting late. So he thought Shivansh will not go to school. So he went away. Now what happened? Shivansh was very upset. Now anyhow his father said, okay, today I am going to drop you to school, but be on time, okay? So Shivansh's father dropped him to school. He desperately ran towards the class. Now underline the word desperately. Desperately means eagerly. He desperately ran towards the class. He know that he was getting late and he is already late for the exam. So he started running for the to reach the class. Now what happened? He was late by 20 minutes. How much time? 20 minutes. The paper has already been started and he has missed 20 minutes of his exam time. Okay, you can imagine if you will be late, how hurry you will be and how much question you can leave, right? So you should always be on time. As a result, he began to cry because he knew today his paper is going to be very bad, right? He was an intelligent boy. He knew all the answers, but still he was not having time to answer all the questions. He told his mother that he could not attempt all the questions as he was late. His mother said, I always advise you to be punctual. So, but you never take it seriously. Okay? So, from today onwards, everyone is going to listen to your parents as well as teachers, and you will listen to their advice because they give the advice for your betterment only. Okay? So, you should always be punctual, not late. Right? Otherwise, you will also miss the paper like Shivansh. Right? So, but you never take it seriously. Now you see the result of not being punctual. How much Shivansh was feeling very bad now because he was an intelligent boy. He was knowing all the answer, but still he was not having the time to attempt all the questions. Right? So, Shivansh promised his mother that he would become a punctual boy. From that day, he got the lesson that yes, from today onwards, I will be punctual and I will not waste my time anymore. What is the moral of the story? You should be punctual. You should be punctual so that you are always on time. You should be punctual so that you are always on time. I think everyone has understood the lesson and everyone got the moral that I will be punctual and I will not waste the time, right? So, let's start the book exercise, okay? See, here book exercise is given. You should start. Take your pencil in your hand and you will mark the correct answer. Take the correct answer. One number. Being punctual means always being on time, late, या bad. What will be the answer? The answer will be being punctual means always being on time. Okay. So, on time. In on time, you will put a tick mark. Okay. Next question. A student who is not punctual cannot be a dash student. Bad, good, lazy. A student who is not punctual cannot be a good student. Good. Why you know? Why you know? Because if the student will not be punctual, he will not attempt all the question, he will not do all the homework, he will not do the things which the teacher has said. So if he will not do all these things, he will never get good marks and he will not be a good student. Okay. So you should be, to become a good student, you should be having this quality, punctuality. Okay. Now third question. Shivansh was in class. Which class? In your class. That is Class 2. Now, question number 4. Shivansh was late by how many minutes? Shivansh was late by how many minutes? By 20 minutes. So, the fourth answer will be 20 minutes. Okay. Now, next, true, false. You know, true, false, you have to write T or F. Let's solve here, okay? Write true for the correct answer or false. Let's begin. One number. Shivansh was a punctual boy. No, Shivansh was not a punctual boy. So this answer is false. Okay. Second question. We should do all our work on time. Yes. Yes, we should do all our work on time. So this is true. Third, a punctual student also gets enough time to play. Yes, because if you have managed all your time, then you will have enough time to play. Because suppose I have given you a homework of half an hour, okay? So, your mama is saying, do your homework, 5 minutes you are writing, 5 minutes playing, again 5 minutes writing, 5 minutes playing. Then what will happen? Neither you will study properly, neither you will play properly. Okay? So, if you will manage that for half an hour I will study, then the rest of the time you will have the time to play. So, a punctual student also gets enough time to play. So, this statement is true. Okay. Now, next. If Shivansh had woken up on time, he would not have missed his questions in the exam. Yes, if he would have woken on time. That means when the alarm rang and then only he should have woken up. Okay, then he could have the time to attempt all the questions. Okay, so this statement is also true. Okay, now answer the following questions. What was being punctual means? Being punctual means being on time. So here only you will write, like see here, question answer. Question answer. What does being punctual means? Being punctual means on time. So, beside the question here you will write on time. What are the advantages of being punctual? The advantages of being punctual is that you have enough time. You have enough time. Okay. How can we become punctual? We can become punctual when we follow everything on time. Okay. So, you don't have to write this answer. Leave it. This is not for your exam purpose. You have to I am giving you the answer. Why? So that you can understand the chapter properly. So, no need to do the question answer. Okay. This is just for your explanation part. I am explaining you how you have to attempt it. Is it clear? For your work, you will do only exercise 1 and exercise 2. That is, take the correct option and true false. That's it. No, nothing else you have to do. So, what is this? You have understood the chapter properly, right? So, today you go and promise to your mama that yes mama, from today I will be on time, and then mama will not get the chance to scold you, right? So you will be happy. Okay, thank you students.